Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 710. The TDI indication has completed successfully. Error event done on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, choose yes if pop-up window will appear. And in command prompt Windows, execute these 5 commands to reset your network. ipconfig flush DNS, ipconfig register DNS, ipconfig release, ipconfig renew, and winsock reset. These all 5 commands execute one by one in command prompt Windows to reset your network settings. There may be a possibility of network related issue, so reset your networks by executing these 5 commands one by one. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose device manager. Update your network adapter driver. Here expand network adapter driver. Right click on your network adapter driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Click on search automatically for drivers. After that, close the windows and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, scroll down and choose system. From the right side, scroll down and look for the option troubleshoot. Basically, it's a network related issue. So here choose other troubleshooters and run network and internet troubleshoot. Click on run option against network and internet and follow on screen instruction to complete the network and internet troubleshooting process. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear. Here click on yes, and in command prompt Windows, after blinking cursor, execute these 3 DISM tool one by one as shown on a screen. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these 3 commands, scan health, check health, and restore health one by one in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time. And thereafter execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your